Relations and functions, domain and range, part 2. So in here, step 1, I wrote down this template. So I kind of wrote down up, down, left, right before I started the video. And let's go to step 2 immediately. So in step 2, we need to identify all the important points. So there's one here, looks pretty important. So we have 4 and 2. So if you want, you can just write down 4 and 2. And the maximum points, this little guy. So 5 and 2. So 2, 5. Don't forget about the negative because we're dealing with the left side. And where's the minimum point? Well, there's an arrow here. Okay. So some people would ask, hey, what about these ones? Well, I don't think they matter because they're not the minimum or maximum. So now I would fill out the up, down, left, and right. Does it go up forever? Does the graph go up forever? Not really. It stops at 5. Does it go down forever? Well, we see a 2 here, but then this 2 is competing with the arrow. So of course, the arrow, the infinity, would win. And we have left and right. Left, does it go left forever? Well, yes, -4, right? Well, I mean, it does not go to the left forever because it stops at -4. There isn't any arrows. Does it go right forever? Well, let's extend this a little bit with the arrows. So it will just go like that, right? So it does go right forever. And we're done. So step 3. So what do? We need to write out the domain. So left, right is our domain. Up, down is our range. And domain says that it has to be greater than -4, right? Because the right is at infinity and the left is at -4. So it has to be greater than -4. So we have x greater or equal to -4, where x is in the element of R, so real number. I'll start repeating this. I'll just write it down from now on. And then for the range, we have up 5 and down infinity. So y has to be less than or equal to 5. And then the y is in the element of real numbers. And we're done. Here's the yo-yo and have fun.